Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I've got a new tool here at the Homestead. And it shouldn't have been up that high. I think my handle slipped on me. It's a lift boom for the tractor. And I'm going to use that for skidding logs over to my mill and putting them in position without physical labor. Getting them all lined up for sawing. That tractor makes it so much better. Everything is better with that. Oh, I love it. So they're all lined up on there. So next time I do some sawing, I got all them right there. I've got a mess lined up here. These are a new batch I just got recently. And some I got in the fall. I swapped saw blades today. I'm experimenting with the other blade. I'll put this on a rack that I got with it. And there's some more logs. I've got a lot lined up. I'm still adjusting my mill. So I mutilated the last cut. I might have to get the mill hammered out or the saw hammered out. But I also have to find out the RPM of that blade. But what I got going on here, I couldn't get it to cut straight. You can see I started cutting and it started cutting outwards. And I backed out and I tried again and I'm just, look at that, cutting outwards. The blade got wobbly on me, but I also have to find out the right RPM of that blade. So my first couple cuts were good, and then I started ripping it bad. So there's some slabs, big thick slabs, that I'm going to turn into 2x4s for my back fence back here. I just got to get them slabbed out. I'll probably run them on the table saw. The blade here was, yeah, now it's stiffened up. What happened was the blade was really snapping back and forth. It loosens up and I've got to find the right RPM and then I'll be good to go. This is a 36 inch. I took off the 48 inch to put on the 36 inch blade today and trying it out. There is a tooth missing here and across exactly opposite of that. That's how I was when I got it. I'm going to have to clean that and find the right number replacement for that. I do have 2 boxes, partial boxes of teeth though, so I got that at least with it. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm just lining up logs. I did the sawing off camera because I'm just really learning the saw and really getting comfortable and familiar with it. And one log makes a lot of sawdust on this blade. A lot. There is my third board. The first 2 boards were perfect. My third one was tapered, and that's a problem. I can still use that for my back fence line. I'm going to run it on the table saw and make something by 3.5 inch, whatever. It'll hold. This one was slaughtered bad, and that's when I realized there's something very, very wrong. And that's when the blade started getting very wobbly. And then the last piece I tried to cut, I just couldn't get it. So I've got to find the RPM, the rated RPM that this is hammered for. And I texted the guy I bought it from. We'll see if he answers. If not, I might have to take it in and get it hammered. There's ways to find out by running the mill. And, well, trial and error too. But, yeah, we'll see. So that's it for today. I got to put up my fencing. I keep the electric fence up around this every night around the whole mill, and I've got an old school fence charger that will knock you flat. Even if you try to protect yourself, it will knock you flat. It's the old school. So I got to do what I got to do to protect my equipment, but it's safe. And anyway, I got to put everything back away and get my wires back up. I take them down to work on it and put them back up when I'm done. But got to be safe. So that's it for today. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Another day on the homestead coming to a close. Talk to you all later.